Hello everybody, my name is Ismail Sewakambo from FX Kampala. I am here today specifically to look at the 8 tricks every successful trader should have. It's quite paramount, it's quite important for you to have these 8 tips that I'm going to unleash or unveil that will help you to achieve successfully and be in position to succeed when you are trading. Tip number 1, define your goals. It's important whenever you start trading, whenever you're going to trade, to specifically define, know what you want out of the markets, know what you want to achieve out of the markets before you can basically start to trade. And you have to make sure that your goals meet your risk, or they should be in relation with your risk and the portfolio that you do have. Choose a broker who offers a trading program with the analysis you want. It's quite important for you to choose for a broker that appropriately meets your requirements, meets your strategy, meets your personality, and meet your defined goals, as we said, as our trick number 1. So it's important for you to choose a trader, to choose a broker that meets your requirements, a good broker that favors your personal environment and your trading condition. Choose a methodology and be consistent. By methodology here we're saying, or we are literally looking at a proven strategy that as well also meets your personality for you to have a positive edge over the market, and do not only choose a strategy or a system or a methodology that works out for you, but rather or also should look out for a consistency, persistency when you are trading. It's quite an important aspect when you definitely basically concentrate onto the system. However, you may experience ups and downs, a strip of losses and profits, but be consistent. However, the system will have some loops, but it doesn't definitely mean that the system isn't operating or working perfectly, but will mean that we shall have, or we will be experiencing both bad and good days. Keep your timing in sync. By sync, we mean basically make sure whenever you do your analysis, make sure that you align your analysis with a couple of various time frames. What do we mean by this? If time frame A is saying it's a buy, make sure that if you go in time frame B, it has confirmed, and make sure that time frame C has already said maybe it's a go. So you should, it's quite important for you to keep this to be in line with your analysis and with all the various time frames as we have. Because when it comes to MT4, basically the time frames that we do have, we have a 1 minute chart, we have a 5 minutes chart, we have a 30 minutes chart, we have a 1 hour time 1 hour time frame chart, we have a 4 hours time frame chart, we have a 1 day time frame chart, weekly and monthly. So make sure that at least if you're in, let's say, 1 hour time frame chart, align this analysis with at least 4 hours and 1 day with relatively higher time frames for you to be in position to succeed profitably or to succeed in your trading. Please subscribe, comment, share and like. And don't hesitate as well to contact us in the contacts below in the description of this video. Calculate your expectancy. By this, we're basically saying that you should specifically calculate your expectancy. By this, we say that you should always have a positive expectancy or statistical edge over the market, that however losses that you do have, however profits that you have to make sure that at the end of the day you're profitable and you are to succeed in your trades and in your portfolio as a successful trader. So it's quite important, it's quite paramount for you to be positive regardless of how the markets are, whether bad, whether good, which goes hand in hand with risk management, money management. Focus on your trades. Now, this trick basically looks on more of those traders that basically look at their account balance and they forget the trades they analyzed, okay, and they forget the analysis they are working with, the trading system, the methodology, the principles they have to go on for, and they focus onto the trading balance. So here is the trick that brings it out clearly that we should always focus on our system. We should always focus onto the trades rather than the balance or the portfolio and the equity that we have on our trading platforms. Build positive feedback loops. By so, however how many losses that you make, however how many profits that you make sure you have a positive feedback loop, okay? By so, keep positive, okay? However bad the markets are, however good the markets are, keep positive, okay? Have hope in the market, okay? Keep positive. Persistence, okay? Be persistent, okay? Be positive towards the market, because when you're negative, nothing is really going to work out perfectly. It's better and it will work out perfectly for you, and you will succeed in your trading when you make when you have a positive thinking over the market. You having a positive thinking or a positive feedback over the market will definitely make it quite important, would make it quite paramount, would make it quite efficient when you trade positively and at the end of the day, or with a positive mind, which at the end of the day will make you profits and will make you a successful trader, which we're all looking for. Perform your analysis on the weekends when the markets are closed to find the patterns and important news. So, fact being that Forex is a 24 to 5 hour business, meaning that over the weekends we have quite enough time to go through our charts, to analyze the charts, to look at the major events, which are the fundamentals, such that we can utilize this time and make sense out of them and benefit out of them. By so, we have to go test, analyze the charts at least by the next or the coming weekend, the coming week. We are quite informed of anything that may come in along the way, okay, having used our weekends properly and effectively. So it's quite or for you to be an important or for you to be a profitable trader, it's important for you to basically use and utilize the time that you have for your weekends. So let's use our weekends for us to be quite profitable traders. This by you following the weekends, analyzing the weekends properly and looking at the couple of various tricks that we have had in this video for specifically 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed and liked them. Make sure you practice and have all things into consideration. All the tricks that we've had in this video, put them into consideration. Consider them as a priority. I believe you me, with God our witness, you're going to be a profitable Forex trader or a successful Forex trader with an edge over the markets. Thank you so much. My name is Isma Sewankambo from FX Kampala. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, okay? You can as well click below this video where there is our website www.fxkampala for our contacts and everything that you may inquire from FX Kampala or for detailed assistance. Thank you so much. I do sign out. May God bless you. Bye bye.